Everyone wants moksha mukti, dharmartha moksha. We don't want mukti. We don't want Bhagavan. We're not worshipping Bhagavan. We don't want mukti. We want prem seva Radha and Krishna, and we're worshipping the sweetness. We're Madhurya Upasakas. And Rupa Goswami says, what sweetness do we want? We want the Rupa Madhurya. We want the Lila Madhurya, Vena Madhurya, and Prema Madhurya. We want sweetness. Madhur, Madhur, Madhur. Madhuram, 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 Etam Mangalam. Or Madhuradi Patera Kilam Madhuram. Madhuradi Patera Kilam Madhuram. Gamanam Madhuram, Hasitam Madhuram. Yamana Madhura, Venu Madhura. This is Krishna. The only Ballavacharya is Vallabha Sampradaya. And he's saying Madhuram, Madhuram, Madhuram. Bilvamangala Thakur, Madhuram, Madhuram, Madhuram. Krishna Karnamrita. It's Krishna, he's saying Krishna. He's just, all he's seeing is sweet. Sugar everywhere, sugar. Sky is raining chini. Chini barsh. And shahad barsh. It's just raining. What am I saying? Madhura, 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 Madhura. This is Gaudiya. Rules and regulations, aparas. Very nice. Everything's there. Raghunaga Bhakta follows all the rules of Vaidhi and more. People have no idea what Raghunaga Bhakti. No, Raghunaga Bhakti, no more rules and regulations. It's all bekar. It says right in the part 1 of Bhakti Rasmita Sindhu, chapter 2, verse 270 to 309. It says right there, he's saying 295 and 96. They follow all the rules of Vaidhi Sadhana. There's only five things Raghunaga Bhakta doesn't do. This is described by Vishnu Chakravarti. Rupa Goswami just says they follow all the rules and even more. And I hear people preach, he's a Raghunaga Bhakti, he gets up at 10 o'clock every morning. This is wrong. Goswamis didn't do like this. Nidrahara vikara vijato. So that this so much misconception. Everyone's saying so many things, but they don't know what they're talking about. You hear often people say, in Raghunaga Bhakti, you follow your rag, your greed, your ruchi, your taste, you just follow your bhav. That's not Raghunaga Bhakti. We follow all the rules. This is told in Bhakti Rasmita Sindhu. In his commentary, Vishnu Chakravarti says, these 5 things we don't do. What are those 5 things? But mostly we see Gaudiyas don't do these anyway. But Vaishnavas do. Someone who's a Vaishnava, worshipper of Krishna, he will do these 5 things. And even those that are in Vaidhi Bhakti, they do also. What are the 5 things that we don't do in Rag Marg? No nyas. You know nyas? Om Govinda, nyas is, you do achman, then you touch different parts of your body. Right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, Om Rishikeshaya, and wash your Om Sridhara, Om this, and then achman each time. Chant a mantra, it's called nyas. Touching part, Om this, and Om, touch this kan, that kan, this, and then right shoulder, left shoulder. This is called nyas. They don't do. Many pujaris, even I see this kind of the place, they do. In Ragmarg, they don't do. Even pujaris. And pujaris do all this nyas and all that. And that's one thing they don't do. Another thing is mudras. And all the pujaris, they do the stapata mudra and the korma mudra and the go stan mudra and all these things. Bog offering, you'll see in the Navadri Vidya Purna Maharaj. This is not Ragmarg. This is not Gaudiya. Gaudiya is Ragmarg. Raghunaga Bhakti Prachar. It says right in, he says, I have come to preach Raghunaga Bhakti. 2 things. Bahirvichar, Antarvichar. So my Bahirvichar is Harinam Sankirtan. And Antarvichar is Raghunaga Bhakti. So in Ragvartman Chandrika, Vishnu Chakravarti said these 5 things out. No mudra, no nyas. No Dwarka Dhyan. We don't meditate on Dwarka Leela. No Mahishi Puja. We don't worship the queens, because in Vaishnava, all Vaishnavas in Udupi, and they do puja to the Rukmini Satyabhama Mitra Kalinda, to the Asta Mahishis. So no Mahishi Puja, no Dwarka Dhyan, no Mudras, no Nyas. That's 4. What's the 5th one? I forget.
Maharaj, here my little.
No Nyas, no Mudra, no Dwarka Dhyan, no Mahishi Puja, no Dwarka Dhyan. There's one 5th one, I forget. But no one does it. Most